welcome back. Now, before evaluating more about revenue and capital expenses, and before learning how can we manipulate them to inflate and deflate our profits, let's first create a journal entry for taking a bank loan. So this right here is our bank loan, that is 31 May 19. Took a bank term loan for rupees 2 lakh at 8% interest. This is an this is a must learn entry, and this entry will be used in almost every business because every business has a loan. Now, what do you think will be the entry? Before moving on to the entry, you should know that there is a difference between bank account, and there is a difference between term loan account. Okay, loan account and bank term loan account. So you should not be confused between bank account and bank term loan account. Bank account is a personal account, while bank term loan account, what is it? It is a current liability, or it will be a long-term liability, depending on the years of the loan taken. As the years are not mentioned here, so let's move on and try to mention years for assuming 10 years. Okay, big loan term, hence it will be a long-term liability, not a current liability. LTL. Now what do you think will be the entry? Let's see. First of all, we'll be receiving money, that is, let's treat it as a cash entry only. Cash received against loan. Okay, you can also assume that the amount of loan is received in the bank, but I am assuming it cash so that it does not create confusion in your brains. Cash account debit because cash came in. Alt plus enter to bank term loan account. Now this account is credited because, what do you think? Because this is a personal account and bank term loan has been given to us, hence credit the giver. And even if you consider by liability, so if liability is increased, it should be credited. Okay, if still not clear that why bank term loan is credited, you can refer this sheet right here. This was the sheet when we learned the basic of debits and credits. I told you that we'll learn it someday. Hence liability is increased, it should be credited. Well, this sheet and the sheet that is of the personal, real and nominal accounts, they are both same only. So this sheet is created by that sheet only. Hence this is the parent and that is the child. This is the parent and this is the child. So if you have any confusion, you can also look at this, but we don't want to because we are dealing with the parent. Okay, so going back to Excel again, entry, as this is a receipt was F6 maybe, I'm not really sure. Let's open tally and look at it. Go to voucher, yes, F6 for receipt. Date is 31/5/19. Okay, exit, change the period 1/4/19 to 31/3/20. Then only tally will let us work in that. period. Okay, change date is 31/5/19. Cash is received. And how much cash is received? 1 lakh against term loan bank. Do we have a loan account? Loan from HDFC? Nope. We need to take a new loan. Alt C. Term loan bank at the rate 8%. It will be going into long-term liabilities, or it can also go into bank OD. It can also go into bank CC. Overdraft and CC are different types of bank account. Overdraft, CC, savings. Where are you? Long-term loans and liability. Okay, loans and liability. Enter till the time you see that voucher screen. 1 lakh. Now cash will increase by 1 lakh. That it will become. It will. Okay, 10,000 only. Cash will increase by 1 lakh. 1,41,500. Took loan at 8%. Where are you? Took Control A. Okay, that entry is now created. Hence, this part is now done. Okay. Now moving on to the next part, that is purchasing a fixed asset from that loan. Also, yeah, this amount was 2 lakh, hence we entered 1 lakh. Go to that entry and change it. DAL, term loan bank. This is what happens most of the time in accounting, clerical mistakes. Okay, you can check the cash balance, that is cash is 2,41,500 and loan came in. Yeah, loan of 2 lakh came in. So yeah, see you in the next lecture where we'll be purchasing machinery from this loan. Good day.